Global privacy regulations increasingly protect the rights of customers to access any personal data pertaining to them that you have on file. Laws in the U.S. vary by state, but being prepared to deliver on these requests ensures you are within regulatory compliance while also establishing trust, transparency, and goodwill with your customers. uRISQ provides a comprehensive access request module that allows you to manage the request process quickly and efficiently. You'll start by creating your access request form. Log into uRISQ and click Access Request in the left-hand navigation. Then click Settings to start configuring your form. First, upload your company's logo by clicking the Upload button and selecting the appropriate file on your system. Your logo file must be a JPEG, GIF, or PNG file, and be under 3 MB in size. Click Open, and the logo file you selected will appear in the preview pane on the right. If desired, you can adjust preferences like header, button, and text color using the settings on the left. Click to toggle between a gray or white header color. You can also adjust the color of the text in the button on the bottom of the form. Click on the color box below the Submit button text color. You can type the hex color value or drag to select a color. As you adjust your form settings, the preview on the right-hand side will update to reflect your changes. You also have the option to add custom text to the top of the request form, such as instructions or disclaimers for your customers, by entering your text into the optional Form Instructions text field. Next, add your company's privacy policy link to the form by typing or pasting it into the box labeled Your Privacy Notice URL. The privacy policy link will appear below the Submit button on the form. Last, set your identification management configuration settings. When an access request is submitted, you are required to verify the subject's identity. Here, you'll decide whether you prefer uRISQ to assist in verifying the identity of the requester, or if you'd like to perform the task manually. If you prefer to have uRISQ automatically verify ID, click to toggle Yes, otherwise select No. Once you have completed the access request configuration, click the Save Configuration button. Then click the Copy URL to Clipboard button, which allows you to paste the form link into your website or another document. When an access request is submitted, your Access Request Administrator will receive an email notification. To review a request, simply click on the button in the email or Access uRISQ and click Request Submissions in the left-hand navigation. All ongoing requests will appear on the right. Select the submission you wish to manage. Next, you'll verify the identity of the individual. Be sure to follow your organization's ID verification process. Once complete, update the ID verification status accordingly by clicking Verify ID and select the appropriate status. Always enter a notation detailing your ID verification actions. Once the subject's identity has been verified, you will be able to assign follow-up tasks to users within your organization. Click the Assign User button. Any user assigned to Access Request module as the standard user or application manager can be assigned to a task and will appear in the drop-down labeled User. If you need to add a user, do so in the User Management section of uRISQ. Once you've selected a user, select an assignment from the next drop-down. Assignments are based on the access request submitted. Select the task you wish to assign. Add a due date and click Save Task. That's all there is to it. The uRISQ Access Request module makes it easy to stay compliant, document your efforts, and earn customer confidence. Take full advantage of each uRISQ module to streamline data privacy and protect your business.